In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DrunkDeer A75 Mechanical Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 is an advanced mechanical gaming keyboard designed to enhance speed and stability for gamers. It features magnetic switches with customizable actuation distances, allowing for rapid response times and reduced missed inputs during gameplay. The keyboard supports hot swappable switches and includes advanced gaming functionalities such as the RT Plus Last Win mode, which prioritizes the last key pressed for uninterrupted movement, and the dual trigger mode that enables 2 distinct actions from a single key press. With 82 keys in a compact 75% layout, the A75 also offers customizable RGB lighting with 18 effects and adjustable brightness levels. Its robust construction from ABS plastic and compliance with CE and FCC certifications underscores its quality. Designed for both desktops and laptops, this wired keyboard caters to English speakers and is ideal for enhancing the gaming experience with its precise and efficient performance. Number 2. Yunzii RT75 Wired Keyboard. The Kinovo Yunzii RT75 is a versatile, wired mechanical keyboard designed for various applications, including gaming, desktop, laptop, and tablet use. It features a standard 83-key layout with PBT plastic keycaps that are printed using dye sublimation for durability. The keyboard supports hot swappable switches, allowing for easy customization, and includes RGB lighting effects to enhance the gaming experience. Although it does not come with wrist support, its gasket structure provides a comfortable typing feel. This keyboard is manufactured by CreateKeys in mainland China and offers adjustable key range features. For customer convenience, the seller supports both wholesale and drop shipping options, and they are open to returns for quality issues. Buyers are encouraged to reach out for any shipping changes or concerns and are invited to leave feedback on their purchasing experience. Number 3. MAMBASNAKE X Keyboard. The MAMBASNAKE M87 TKL keyboard is a versatile and high-performance device designed for both gamers and professionals, featuring dual-mode connectivity through Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless technology for easy switching between devices. It boasts durable PBT ball keycaps that enhance typing comfort and longevity, complemented by a robust 4000 mAh rechargeable battery for extended use without frequent recharging. The keyboard also includes a captivating mixed-color rainbow backlighting system, which adds a stylish visual effect and customization options to enhance the gaming experience. With its mechanical feel, the M87 TKL provides tactile feedback similar to traditional mechanical keyboards, making it an ideal choice for users seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Redragon K616 Pro. The Redragon K616 Pro is a compact 60% mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. Featuring a slim, ergonomic style, it boasts a hot swappable system with UTEMU red switches, offering a quiet, responsive typing experience rated for 50 million key presses. The keyboard supports a versatile 3-mode connection via USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless, ensuring seamless connectivity across various devices, including desktops, laptops, and tablets. With vibrant RGB backlighting and up to 20 customizable presets, users can adjust the brightness and effects easily. Its low-profile design maximizes desk space, allowing for improved mouse maneuverability, particularly appealing to first-person shooter gamers. The included package comes with essential accessories for customization, ensuring an optimal experience for both gaming and work environments. Number 5. GK9 Wireless Keyboard. The DarmoShark Bluetooth Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, model Motorspeed GK89, is designed for both desktop and laptop use, featuring a compact layout with 104 keys. It utilizes high-quality PBT plastic for keycaps and is equipped with UTEMU switches, which are hot swappable, allowing users to customize their typing experience with either blue or red switches. The keyboard supports macro programming and offers a vibrant multicolor backlight, enhancing its visual appeal. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it has a battery capacity of 1,300 mAh to support prolonged use. Designed without wrist support, it maintains a standard multimedia style while connecting through a USB interface. The keyboard has received CE certification and is available in black and white color options, emphasizing both functionality and aesthetics for gamers and professionals alike.